What's up, everybody? My name is Shawn. I'm over in the passenger seat because I'm a trainer here at Rosedale Transport. This is John. He's in the driver's seat. And guess what? We're in Iowa off I-80. And guess what? We're the Iowa 80, the world's largest truck stop. So John ain't never been here, so I figured we'd go ahead and stop by here. So check out the video all the way to the end and let me know if you liked it or found it interesting. Let's get into it. So here we are at the world's largest truck stop at Iowa 80. Well, I've been here a few times before, but John ain't never been here, and we were on our way to Chicago, so we had to stop. There's a little stone there, world's largest truck stop. Dedicated to the generations of truck drivers and families and the people who have worked here that built this destination. All right, 1964. Let's go check it out. So this place is huge. Here's all the different things they have. Check out this old truck. Look at this old Freightliner. Yeah, they try to show off all their chrome stuff. Wow. So they got everything here. Look, this thing's got upstairs. It's got all kinds of stuff. Oh, check out the carpet. It's got carpet. Just about anything you can think of here. I'm gonna walk around for a minute. I'll see you. Bugs, salty flies, check it out. Oh, they got everything. Oh, look, here's some the floor mats, steering wheel holders, just about anything you can think of. Check it out. Let's check out the old truck over here. So anything you can think of for a truck, they got it. Let's go check out this 1987 Pete. Check it out. Look at this. Look, that's the old bunk back there. Let's see how it sits. Man. Wow. Thing's all tricked out. Got all the switches here. Check it out. That's awesome. This is like the embroidery shop. You can bring in like a picture of your truck or whatever, or anything, and get it put on just about anything. They can make anything here. There's the hats. Sheepskins, look at that. I like a little military section over here. Survival bags and stuff like that. Wow. Check these boots out. Ain't some nice boots here. $258, nice. Yee. All right, let's go check out upstairs. Oh, they even got guitars over there, music, refrigerators, tags. Ooh, I might get a tag for my wife. Yes, let's see what we can get. See if I can find something she'd like. Oh, man. Jeep, she had a Bronco. Alright, so now we're gonna go up the stairs to the second floor. And they got some jackets. Oh man, there's the stuff I like right there. That's what I've been wanting right there, is one of these jackets, but they're not cheap, I know that. Wow, look at these. How much are these things? $159. Wow. Huh. Nice though. So you got a restaurant here, and you got a whole food court over on this side, and then you've got another floor. Look at that, they got a buffet over there. Then up here, showers, theater, barber, dentist, public laundry. Let's go check out the third floor. This really is a huge truck stop, y'all. So if you're down for your 34-hour break, this is definitely where you want to come to. What is that? Oh, that's where you take a physical, drug testing. You got laundry. A barbershop, Check it out. Had the barbershop and all. And it just keeps going, y'all. A Wi-Fi lounge, super truck showroom, and now across the street they have another showroom of trucks, of old trucks across the street that you can go visit. That's kind of cool. Dentist, elevators. Where's this? Wow. Even a theater this way. Chiropractor. I mean, it really is a big truck stop, y'all. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments what y'all think about this truck stop. And have you ever been here before? Let's see, let's go this way. It just goes on and on. Driver's lounge, let's see. Restrooms. TV, got a little lounge here. Ha. Wow. Too cool for school, huh? All right, let's go check out the store down here. Oh, check it out. I like that, that's cool. It's the ghillie suit. Too cool for school. Yeah, I could go around here for days. Well, that's it. Appreciate you watching today. Hey, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you got any value or enjoyed watching it, make sure you hit that like button. I put out videos every day trying to teach you things the CDL school will not teach you, and also take you to places all across the great country, the USA. By the way, if you're looking for a great job, you need to call Tina at Rosedale, 706-226-1003. Their number's at the bottom of the screen. Make sure you tell your boy Shawn sent you. Hey, and let's get trucking. It's Trucking Life with Shawn, baby. Let's get it.